If you are wondering if Nothing Phone 4a supports 100 watts plus chargers or power adapters, then the answer is both yes and no, but let me just clarify. So if you want to get a power adapter that has 100 watts, but if you're wondering if it's going to work, if the phone can charge the battery with a power adapter that has 100 watts or more, then yes, it's going to work. You can use this kind of power adapter in order to charge your phone, and there will be no issue with that whatsoever. However, if you already have a power adapter that has 50 watts or more, and if you are wondering if you should upgrade it to 100 watts in order to increase the charging speed to make your phone charge faster, then it's not going to work, simply because the phone can charge the battery using 50 watts at most. So if you already have a power adapter that has 50 watts or more, then anything above 50 watts is pretty much the same thing. So there is no need to upgrade the power adapter to a faster or stronger one if you already have 50 watts at least for your Nothing Phone 4a in this specific, of course, example. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.